Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, chapter number 2, the Northern Mountains. In today's topic, our contents are the Himalayas. The Himalayas are divided into three parts: the Greater Himalaya, the Middle Himalaya, and the Outer Himalaya. The Karakoram Mountain, Purvanchal Hind Ranges, climate, and the states comes in northern mountain area, that is Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, and the remaining states we will study in our next class. The Himalayas. The northern mountains consist of the Himalayas, the Karakoram mountain ranges, and the Purvanchal hills. Northern mountain is consist of Himalayas, Karakoram mountain ranges, and the Purvanchal hills. The Himalayas form a large mountain ranges. Ranges, in previous chapter we studied that ranges means the mountains connected with each other. See in the pictures, the one mountain is connected to another. This is the ranges. It remains covered with snow all the year around. यहाँ पर स्नो मीन्स बर्फ़. ये जो माउंटेन्स रहते हैं ये ऑल द ईयर स्नो से ही कवर्ड रहते हैं. लाइक माउंट एवरेस्ट, देयर आर सम मोर पिक्स इन द हिमालयाज एज टू remain covered with snow most of the year. The Himalayas stretch from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to the Arunachal Pradesh in the east. अगर फर्स्ट चैप्टर में हमने पढ़ा था कि जम्मू एंड कश्मीर नॉर्थ साइड में आता है एंड अरुणाचल प्रदेश ईस्ट साइड में आता है इंडिया के, तो फ्रॉम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर नॉर्थ से लेकर अरुणाचल प्रदेश ईस्ट तक का पूरा जो एरिया है वो हिमालय से कवर्ड है. The highest peak in the world, Mount Everest, lies in the Himalayas in Nepal. The Himalayas stretch to about 2,400 kilometers, passing through northern India, southern China, Tibet, Nepal, and Bhutan. The width varies from 150 to 400 kilometers. The Himalayas has three parallel ranges, which are the Greater Himalaya और हिमाद्री. हम ग्रेटर हिमालय को हिमाद्री के नाम से भी जानते हैं. द मिडिल हिमालय और हिमाचल, एंड द थर्ड इज द आउटर हिमालय और शिवालिक. See in the picture, the one number indicates the Greater Himalaya or Himadri. The second number indicates the Himalaya, Middle Himalaya or Himachal, and the third number indicates the Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. These are the parallel ranges. First, the Greater Himalaya or Himadri. This range lies in the extreme north and is the highest range of the Himalayas. Mount Everest lies in this range of the Himalayas. The Greater Himalaya remains covered with snow throughout the year. Throughout the year, यहाँ पर पूरी तरह से ये जो माउंटेन्स रहते हैं, ये जो हिमालय है, ये स्नो से कवर्ड होता है. Rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Brahmaputra originate from the glaciers found in the Greater Himalaya range. यहाँ से फेमस रिवर्स जो है वो ओरिजिनेट होती है. These rivers are Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Brahmaputra. The second is the Middle Himalaya or Himachal. It lies to the south of the Greater Himalaya. Its peaks are not as high as that of Greater Himalaya. इसकी जो पिक है, इसकी जो चोटी है, वो इतनी हाई नहीं होती जितनी हमने ग्रेटर हिमालय में पढ़ी. So they are not covered with snow throughout the year. इसलिए यहाँ के जो हिमालय है, यहाँ के जो माउंटेन्स हैं, वो थ्रू आउट द ईयर स्नो से कवर्ड नहीं होते. Thick forest of trees such as pine, fir and deodar cover the slopes of the mountains in this range. ये एरिया फॉरेस्ट एरिया भी है. Beautiful hill stations such as Nainital, Shimla, and Mussoorie are located in the Middle Himalayas. Some of the beautiful stations are located in the Middle Himalayas. आप भी विजिट किया होगा आप लोगों ने भी, such as Nainital, Shimla, Mussoorie. These are located in the Middle Himalaya or Himachal. The Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. This is the lowest range of the Himalayas. It lies to the south of the Middle Himalaya. It is covered with thick forest in which roam many wild animals freely. This is the lowest range of Himalaya. ये सबसे lowest range है हिमालय की. It lies to the south of the Middle Himalaya. It is covered with thick forest. ये एरिया पूरी तरह से फॉरेस्ट से कवर्ड है एंड वाइल्ड एनिमल्स फ्रीली यहाँ पर रोम करते हैं, घूमते हैं. The famous national park is located in the outer Himalaya or in Shivalik ranges. This is Jim Corbett National Park.